Hi, my name's David Evans. I'm the course designer at the Blair Palace International Horse Trials, and today we're just going to do a little bit of carving that will dress one of the fences later in the year. And the most important part of any carving is the first 7 cuts to get the general shape, and then we'll get on with it. Okay, so you can see now that we've, well, hopefully you can see that they're horses' heads, and they'll be sanded next and then oiled so all the grain stands out, and there'll be a few more of them, and we'll probably use them as a turning point or decoration around some of the fences. So you'll have to come back in September and see these and others around the course.